In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a drop shadow in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. First, open your image or text in Photoshop. Make sure the layer you want to add the shadow to is selected. Now, go to the Layers panel. Double-click on the blank space to the right of the layer's name. This will open the Layer Style window. From here, click on Drop Shadow in the left menu. You'll now see several options to customize the shadow. Size controls the blur of the shadow, making it look more natural. Spread makes the shadow softer or sharper. Distance moves the shadow further away from the object. Angle adjusts where the light source is coming from, changing the direction of the shadow. Opacity controls how visible the shadow is. A higher value makes it darker. Play around with these settings until you get the look you want. If you want a more realistic shadow, try reducing the opacity and increasing the size slightly. Once you're happy with the shadow, click OK to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully added a drop shadow to your object or text in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching.